Hey everyone, how's it going? So I received this interesting email last night with the Model Y being available to pre-order today. And the interesting note here is it introduced the Model Y as our mid-size SUV by Tesla with 66 cubic feet of cargo space and all-glass panoramic roof and up to 7 seats. The interesting part is, as a reminder, this Monday, which is today, the price of all their cars will go up, except for the $35,000 Model 3. If you haven't test driven the Model 3, then this is the time to buy. Even Elon Musk tweeted this morning to make sure you purchase your Tesla vehicle because price will slightly go up tonight. Is this a marketing scheme to get more Tesla out the door? I don't know. But anyways, if you are interested in a Tesla, right now is the time to order. So make sure you order before midnight tonight, at least midnight in Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.